welcome back to your girl's channel. Okay, in today's video I'm gonna focus on the road, not on you, so understand that. Thanks. So I'm on my way to get this hair braided, y'all. As you can see, my hair is in these two plaits. Yes, I went ahead and blow dried my hair out last night, and I'm going to get my hair braided. I'm getting these Fulani braids. Okay, Fulani braids, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna insert a picture of what they're gonna look like. I want them super long to the booty, past the booty. Okay, we're going for extra long braids today, because if you guys don't know, I am going right there. All right, I am going to London town. Yes, your girl is going to London, and I leave tomorrow, so I have to get this hair done today. If y'all like, Chris, why you got your edges done? Because sis ain't finna braid up these edges. Not let's swoop, did you? We need her. We need her out, okay? Because y'all know sometimes, you know, they may be getting a little excited, maybe braiding the edges. No. I need mine out. I gotta keep them out, okay? So I went ahead and just slayed them myself, so you know how I want them when you braid them. All right, exactly. So yes, that's what I'm doing today. I think it's gonna take a long time, honestly, but they're gonna be cute. So it's gonna be worth it. And I'm gonna list all the information on who I'm going to in the description box down below. Can we also just take a moment for my skin? Y'all, look at my skin. Who am I? Like, I have been working on my skin for the past like 3 weeks or whatever, and I have been seeing such a big improvement, sis. Like, improvement, okay? So stay tuned to see how these braids gonna turn out. I'm excited. Okay, I'm on my way to the appointment right now, and yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated for when I get up in there.
You ordered this on Amazon?
I'm Christina from the legendary DeBarge family. The DeBarge family is online. Several awards and hundreds of sample songs. I've been singing since I was 3 years old. Back in 2009, I had this different image. I was a more safe, bubblegum type of artist. And now, I get to really be who I am.
Gotcha. Surprise.
Hey. My Uncle Alec is an absolute legend, and if anyone's gonna give me great advice, it's him. This is my potential first single.
You gonna give her what?
I'm also looking forward to performing at Angela's fashion show.
Oh, little niece is growing up.
Yeah.
Tired. We have a lot to do. My show's only 3 days left. Man, let's say put the light on. Early killing. The amount of stuff that has to be built. I'm looking for the charger. Where's my charger? Did we bring it with us? Should be in there. Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're about to get my hair braided. This is Dyneisha, my hairstylist. Wanna say hey?
Hi, nice to meet you guys.
I'm gonna leave all information down in the description box below. But this is the braids that I am getting. Just like this. Can you see?
When I had acne, I made up.
So they're gonna be Fulani braids, braid down to the side, and box braids in the back.
I'm a professional
So,
and I'm at
that's
work
it.
right
All right, we're gonna let y'all watch, and that's it. Okay.
That's the only prescription strength retinol.
And I told you I want them past my butt, so 36 inches
That was my choice. This thing's got reclining seats.
of synthetic hair.
You clean up. You ever seen my kid eat crackers? Yeah.
Super long.
See how that looks? Sometimes you got.
Smile more when you come by. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your he ends me. Say your weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. You know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Don't leave me here alone.
I think something is up. I mean, I don't know. I could just
Oh, girl,
feel
look
it.
kind of cute.
Feel it. She just better not be pregnant. Like my girl.
Ooh,
Angela,
I
that's
just
all I'm
hope I
saying.
could take out this super juice because
Look
this
at
forehead.
this too. You look good. That was a good dress. It really worked.
I love this one. I sell table because I know what's good for me. I want to lead the life that I want to lead. And that means the music career.
You almost there, girl. You are growing up. After this is your last college. This is it. I was thinking, being in a dorm, freshman year, that's a whole lot of distraction.
Oh, yeah.
A whole lot of wildness. But, you know, I trust you.
College itself is just
No, it is.
priorities.
Yeah, it's
Usually.
distraction with the dorm situation. So that's why I feel like you stay at
Just
home.
like college, like that's why I definitely just
hot
want to
girl
take a
summer,
year.
What do you say?
I said it's a hot girl summer.
Yes, Hot Girl Summer
And just
of 2019.
Oh, 2019.
Wait, what do you mean? Yeah, when did you?
Okay, family, so I was not able to record the final results because it got dark and we were there when there was no more sunlight. However, this is my final result, y'all. The braids came out popping, okay? Do you see these 36 inches, y'all? Like, total, it took us about 12 hours to install them, but they look amazing, okay? Like, the style, Dyneisha perfected it. She even did 2 layers on my hair so they could lay flat just like I wanted it. And a lot of these pics are from when I was in London. The London vlog is coming up next. But she really did a great job. I will leave all of her contact info in the description box below, so make sure to check that out if you're interested in booking her. She's located in Austin/San Marcos, Texas. But yes, y'all, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think of these Fulani braids in the comment section down below, okay? Give it a thumbs up as well if you did enjoy this vlog and want more vlogs. And you can follow me on my Instagram if you want more photos of these braids. And check this out right here, what I asked for versus what I got. Okay? Make sure you know who you booking, sis.